Welcome. My name is Bryan Roschetzky. Now, it looks like summer is finally coming to an end, and as we look back, I can remember so many seasons changed flying over Giga Texas. And here in Austin, another day's coming to a sunset, so let's fly over to Giga Texas before the sun goes down and get a Sunday FUNDAY fly. Because it's going to be a very interesting day tomorrow as we wake up on Monday. I just can't wait to see what the Tesla stock's gonna do as everyone's watching this video. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to early thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and interact because it's great to build a community based around a better future with Tesla. You guys ready? Green light means go. Let's go check out Giga Texas. I have one big question for everyone out there. What are you most excited about from the completion of Giga Texas? What are you mostly looking forward to after Giga Texas is completed? Whether it be the stock price increase, whether it be Cybertruck, the Model Y rollout, what are you particularly most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. seeing that road coming to a completion there with barricades on both sides. Looks like we have some foundations being laid for some future Gigapress machines. Another great question for everyone out there. What is the total number of Gigapresses right now at Giga Texas? And what's the total number of Gigapresses going to be at the completion? That's going to be pushing out a lot of mega castings. So a really amazing view here from the backside of the factory. You can really get an entire outlook of the entire landscape from here. It's also great to see the back left side of the building here is the powertrain and electric motor section. It's really great to see that that's coming along. And then it looks like we're gonna have one last alleyway as they finish up the center of the building there. And I want to give a special shout out to all of my Patreons as well for all of their great support. I really couldn't have done it without them. So thanks again to Adam Block, Bob Callahan, Butch McIntosh, David and Sarah Delgado, Rick Thor, Leela Elliott, Tyler Schaefer, Russell Dixon, David Wheeler, Leah, Clayton Handelman, San Electric, Devin Hunter. Special thanks to Devin Hunter, Evie Bike Dude, and also Bruce Smith for helping out the channel, for everyone else out there, for all your support, any of your super chats, your likes, your comments, all of you that subscribed, hit the bell notification, any support on Patreon, any tip or donation on my PayPal link. Everyone, thank you very much for your help and your support, for keeping this channel growing, and I can't wait to get that Cybertruck and keep the adventures coming. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time at Giga Texas.
See you guys next time. And again, can't wait for my Cybertruck. Peace out from Austin, Texas, and I'll see you next time.